Lavu manyemu, ezinga lavu zabantu bonna kunsi.
All school computers and cameras have been stolen. They are gone. And someone here in this school thinks that they are too wise and clever. And let me hope none of you here thinks that this is a joke. Well, let me inform you. We are going to carry out an investigation. We are going to find you. And when we find you, we shall arrest you. Where are the prefects? Gideon.
Yes, sir.
You must be at the center of this investigation, together with all your prefects.
Understood, sir.
Mr. Sesemwai, you were the teacher on duty when this happened. Make sure that this investigation is successful, else you don't have a job here. Assembly dismissed.
Investigation. Investigation.
So, who are we expelling first?
Expelling?
Just try using your brain for your mouth.
Yeah.
And you pull out your belt.
Fellow leaders, we don't waste time. We follow facts.
Facts. Facts do not trend, do they?
Not at all.
Smart. Smart. Exactly. Facts.
You guys. Oh Lord, help us. Can you please get serious? Please.
Come on, guys, this isn't a joke. We're getting expelled if we fail.
Thank you.
Hey, actually, I want to go back home.
You can't go.
Excuse me.
It. Well, you're supposed to start the investigations and make a report for me, because I need to also make a report for Mr. Sesemwai and the headmaster.
But wait.
You're all dismissed.
Look at this. 150k likes and she thinks she's special just by lip syncing and twirling her hair like she invented charm.
Wait, Shivan? Again?
Who else tries so hard to train from a school compound?
Well, unless she does not try to compete for class queen. She is more of a TikTok present reality.
You know, as they say, keep your enemies where you can see their edges. If she thinks she's the hottest name in school, she hasn't seen my new end of year hair reveal.
Girl, just wait. You are going to finish her just with vibes and volume.
Well, let's head out. Let the school feel your return.
We are going to unleash elegance before we unleash attitude.
Babe, with Gideon winning this election, you are definitely the first lady of the Republic of St. Julian.
I don't know why, but the first time I saw that girl, I didn't like her. She looked a pretender. Exactly what she is.
The worst part of it all She thinks everyone likes her. Such a pity.
Girls, I think we're done here. Let's go.
I want to be like you when I grow up. Girl, even teachers are commenting.
Right. If you get more followers, they're going to call you a witch next.
You know how creative haters get. Hey! Hi! Hi, Queen. Hi, Brownie.
Hey.
Hi.
Right. Mama.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, Ivy is busy crowning herself the real queen of influence.
Queen of influence? She can have the crown. Meanwhile, I just want my space, my shade, my sanity.
Yeah, talk about it.
Oh, you're right. Anyways, guess what? Elvis commented. Wait. Elvis, nerdy, smooth talker, zero social media Elvis? Zero social media Elvis.
The one who gave a full paragraph answer when asked, "Are you okay?"
Exactly. Imagine what he's saying. That was poetry. Just like that. You're not just going viral. You're in love.
She even just goes about her business.
Exactly.
And Ivy just hates on her. The girl dislikes you that much. You know, at first I really thought it was because of the president, but I haven't seen you talk to the president even once.
Not even once. It seems people will have to hate.
Yeah.
Anyways, failures have time to go to talk about other people.
No.
Yeah.
Don't give her time.
As you know, the face of Saint Julian.
Sweet loving, sweet loving. Girl, I need the loving. Sweet touching, sweet touching. Girl, I need the touching. Love and no get anybody, yeah. We getting anybody. Love it, they give me the peace on me, yeah. Got wine for me, yeah. Oh, baby, God, come 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 wine up, you wine up. Me, I wanna hold on. Shady make you go down, oh la. I need
Gentlemen, stand by your bed. It's time for inspection. No movements allowed once you stop. But where do you belong? Where do you belong? Where do you belong? You can't tell you standing near your kitchen. Wait, open.
Our lovely head girl is here. Running our lovely head girl.
This is an inspection, not a party. If you feel like you're hiding anything, it will be a lovely time to find it.
Exactly. I have a feeling we're going to hand ourselves on a lot.
In that case,
I want some. Glory, another thing to suspect.
what's in that thing?
Halloween came too early today.
What's this? Please open it now.
You're witchcraft. That's why you fell
chemistry. Now we're using witchcraft. Come. Can you open your case? Get calm. Instead of reading, come. Instead of witchcraft. Come.
What's under your blanket? You, what's in this bag? Wait. Why all these noodles and spaghetti? It's just the same thing. It's a very... Rachel, come sit here. Wow, this is illegal. Gloria. Yes? She was found with spaghetti and noodles. Who? Side business. Who? Ha.
Please, honey. You're too young to hustle. You mean your parents aren't providing enough for you? They are. What do the rules say? They are. You're just very... You're sorry for what? The rules said that?
Lie down, lie down, lie down. Lie down. You're using witchcraft. Can you? Yes. Lie down.
Is this a bar? You have in the bar in the school? Is this a bar?
Using witchcraft.
Told you self-medication is allowed. Maybe you're going to be expelled from this school. You're stealing everything. People are already...
Then where are you going? At this time, do you know what time it is? You're going to shower when people are busy leaving to go to class. You're going to shower, madam.
Yeah, I woke up late, so that's why.
What do you think this is? Do you think I was born yesterday? You're going to bathe with a watch. So, on your bucket, what's this? You have 200 shillings to pay water bills. The bucket. Are you deaf? The bucket. Open it.
Excuse me, open that bucket. Should I help you? I help you?